Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dipesh Kimbire, and in this video I'll be talking about 5 things you need to know before coming to Lithuania. So watch the video till the end so that you'll be more informed about things that you need to be concerned of before thinking of coming to Lithuania. First thing is, Lithuania is a very cold country, and during the winter the temperature falls down around -10, -15. So if you are planning to come in January intake, you must be aware that it is very cold in Lithuania, and you need to have warm clothes so that you'll never get chance to get any cold flus or cold diseases, something like that. So that the next thing is very important that people 90% people have misunderstanding of. When you apply for a student visa, you will not get Schengen visa. Even if Lithuania is Schengen country, you will not get Schengen visa. You will get type D national visa, national residence visa. So whenever you come to Lithuania, if you are planning to come to Lithuania and the next day you want to go to Portugal or Spain, it is somehow considered as illegal act. What is the right way, what is recommended is you need to wait around 3 to 4 months to get a TRC, and after you can travel for 90 days to any European countries. So if you have not misunderstanding that you will come to Lithuania and the next day you want to go to Portugal, it's legal. It's not legal at all. You can move to Portugal by bus, by train, it's okay, but it is not considered as legal migration. So it is better if you stay and apply for TRC, and you'll get TRC, temporary resident card, and after you can via plane you can go to another country for 90 days, and after 91st day you will be illegal in that country. So during 90 days you need to make your documents. If you are in Portugal or if you're in France, it's okay, but until 90 days you are okay, you are legal, but after that you will be illegal. So you need to know this thing because people only know the Schengen area. So if you go to today any Schengen country with the student visa, it's not legal that you go to another country. The third thing is only for Nepali students. If you are planning to come to Lithuania, the thing you need to know where you apply for visa. So you will apply for visa in VFS Global in the Science Center in Kathmandu. You don't need to go to India for any kind of documentation. You'll directly get access in VFS. You can go and ask in VFS as well. VFS offices is in the third floor. Is counter number 5. You can go and ask there if you can apply for a student visa or not from Nepal. But the thing is, if you apply for Italy, you don't need to take any kind of embassy approval. But in Lithuanian case, you need to take embassy approval from Lithuanian embassy in New Delhi. And again, you need to go to VFS, make an appointment, and you can apply for visa. It's not easy, but if you go through any consultants, they will make it for you. But if you are applying on your own, you need to be aware of that you will need to take embassy approval for Lithuanian visa. So you need to know this thing if you are applying on your own. But if you are going to any kind of consultant, they will help you with the appointments. No problem with that. Number 4 is basically for food delivery jobs. If you have your country's license, like if you have an Indian license, if you have Nepali license or Pakistani license, it is not a problem if you want to do a delivery job in Lithuania. You can, if you have a smart card, especially for Nepalese people, if you have a smart card and smart license, and if you come to Lithuania and you can take international driving license permit, it will cost you around 100 to 150 euros depending on how faster you need it. And you can do food delivery in scooter or in car or in bike with that. So if you don't have a license, there is also an option for you. You can take a bicycle. You can buy a bicycle, and you can do delivery in cycle as well. So no problem with that. But if you have a license, Nepalese license, it is better if you do it with scooter, with bike, or in car. It is faster and convenient, and you will earn more with these riding vehicles. And the number 5 point is regarding the permanent residence in Lithuania. So the criteria you need to know is you need to at least be in Lithuania for at least 5 years. You need to pay 60 social insurances. The social insurance means it will deduct a certain amount of money from your salary every month. So you will have to pay it for 60 months. is 12 into 560 for 5 years. So you need to pay social insurance and taxes, and you don't need to have any kind of criminal background or criminal case pending in the court. And you need to have at least 40% of Lithuanian language to apply for permanent residence in Lithuania. So the thing is, the number one thing is you need to be in Lithuania for at least 5 years. And the second thing is you shouldn't have any kind of criminal record before previously. And the third thing is you need to have 40% Lithuanian language, and it is always better if you have master degree, because you will get it instantly. If you have master degree, there will be points for the permanent residence, and it will enhance your points for your permanent residence. So this is all for today's video, and the next video I'll be coming with more information about Lithuanian, the ground reality, the jobs and the colleges and the universities and the hostels, everything I'll cover in my 2 videos later after a few days. So please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed when I upload next video about Lithuania or about Italy or about another country. Thank you very much.